Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Jessica. Thank you so much for tuning in. For today's video, I have this super simple, easy to do makeup look for Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day, but we're gonna go ahead and jump right in. But before we do, make sure you hit that like button if you like this video and that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. But if you enjoy makeup, lifestyle, and fashion videos and anything in between, I would love to have you here and hang out again. But we're gonna go ahead and jump right in. Sorry for the change of lighting, just wanted to use natural light. Gonna go ahead and prep my face with the Veil Mineral Primer. This has SPF, so it kind of gives you a tiny bit of white cast, but once I put makeup over, it's totally fine. And I like this primer because it's so light, it's oil-free, it's SPF, but it just glides over your skin. It feels so nice. Sorry for the background noise. This is the struggle when you still live at home. Anyway, as I was saying, we've all been here. I use a tanner. It actually probably doesn't even look bad. You probably can't even tell, but me, I'm like nitpicky and you know, I notice things. I feel like it's a little splotchy around my chest area, but it's fine. We're fine. This is the key to, I feel like, a lot of glowy looks. I love it. So happy that I found it. I've been seeing it everywhere. Actually, it's been presented to me. I didn't find it. It is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter for a superstar youth glow. I'm youth. We love that. So you actually do not need a lot of this at all. It's not foundation. You lay this underneath your makeup, and I actually do use this even when I'm not wearing foundation. I just kind of blend it out. You have a look. You have a very nice glowy complexion that just looks so youthful and dewy and beautiful. Like what else do you want? See, it gives that nice glow. And then for the foundation, this is the Rare Beauty foundation. I have shade 270N. I have been loving this for like everyday easy complexion. It's so beautiful. It goes on so nicely and you can wear it lightly or you can build it up. I like wearing it kind of like medium. I don't build it up too much. I feel like for my skin, the more I put, obviously, the more it's gonna look like you're wearing makeup. The least you wear of this, the more supple and nice your skin looks. So I have the Rare Beauty brush. I don't know if you guys seen my first video. I did a Rare Beauty review when it first debuted. Out the gates, I did a review and I've quickly come to love it. But what I do normally when I apply foundation is I usually go in with a brush and then I go in with my beauty blender. Make sure everything's blended and there is no harsh lines or buildup anywhere. Make sure everything's all even. See how everything is, it's so glowy, I love it. Concealer, also Rare Beauty. This is shade 250W. So this is where I put my concealer. I go right in the dark edges, just like that. Corners, crevices, whatever you want to call it. Right here to lift the eye. A little right here. And then I'm not going to use bronzer or contour. I'm going to do a reverse contour. So how I do that is right underneath where you would usually contour. Just make a line just like that. Done. Making sure it's even. It looks even to me. I love doing this when I want more of a natural contour look, or this is even a hack. Say if you have a foundation, like you lost your tan and your foundation's too dark, instead of going in and contouring with a darker shade, use your concealer to carve out that cheekbone. That way it looks like that contour was there. You know what I'm saying? That one was for free. Same thing, I have my concealer brush. I'm gonna go ahead and blend out first where I want the coverage. I think one of the keys to a more natural, fresh faced look is using concealer that isn't too bright. And I do love concealer. I do. This one is pretty light, but it's not the brightest I've ever gone. The lighting's like in and out. Like it looks great, I feel like right now, but then it gets darker. I'm racing the sun, you guys. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and blend these lines right here. See? You have that contour without having to contour. I honestly feel this is the easiest thing. Before I set my face, I'm gonna go ahead and add my blush. This is the blush we're using today. It is the Nearly Neutral Melting Blush from Rare. So I'm first gonna use my fingers and then just tap, tap, tap it in. Oh, I love blush so much. I personally love blush. You can tone it down a little bit. I love that really rosy, blushy look. Blush is one of my favorite steps, and I would never, ever, ever skip it. Blush over contour, clearly. But I do contour, but you know what I'm saying. So now that we've set it down, I'm going to go in with my beauty blender and make sure they're not actual, literal circles. Oh, it looks so good. I love it. Actually, let me go in with my beauty blender. Add a little mo. I love. I already said that. Clearly, I love blush. And I put it right here in the apples of my cheek. Sometimes I do the thing where you put the blush up here. That does look really nice. And sometimes don't fall for that thing. I've been seeing it on TikTok. I've been seeing it on TikTok is if you put your blush right here, it'll really drown your face and make it look more, what's the word? I don't know, just like dragged and dull. And if you put it up here, it'll make you look more lifted. And though we love lifted, we love contoured, but it really just makes you look a little bit more youthful, more fresh face. You have life on your face, not so snatched. You're a little bit more natch, you know? You're a little bit more natural. Oh, so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave it here before you guys get scared. I think that's perfect. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the other end of the beauty blender and make sure there's no creasing before I set my face. This is my favorite setting powder. Ooh. I use it almost every single video. I talk a lot about it on Instagram. I love it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set my under eye. Oh, and by the way, this is the Hourglass translucent, translucent veil powder. I feel like it really smooths everything out. And I'm just gonna, I set my under eye, I set my nose, and basically my T-zone, because that's where I get the most oily. And if you're gonna wear a mask, I would suggest setting your entire face. I mean, you should wear a mask, but you know what I'm saying. If you're gonna be at home, you don't need to wear a mask. But if you're gonna be out and about, set it. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and set my reverse contour. You know, just giving it some insurance. There we go. Are you? It looks so good. Okay. I don't want to have too much product on my eyelids. And then I just set it with whatever's left over so it doesn't crease. So I have two brushes for my eye look today. This is the Morphe E17, really like short, dense blending brush. And this is the MAC 286, quite opposite. It's a duo fiber, easy blending brush. And for my eyes, this is the Rare Beauty Nearly Neutral Eye Situation liquid shadow, whatever you call it. Gonna go ahead and just plop that on my eyelid one by one. I already used these, but I realized I never smelled it, and that's a thing. Gonna use the shorter, denser one to start blending that out. And then using the denser one, the duo fiber one, just to air that out a little bit. super easy. Just swipe. I didn't zoom in for this tutorial because it's not like a detailed look, but it's very easy. It's just one and done. Do I want to add more? Got a lot in my eyelash, damn it. Hopefully that doesn't ruin my mascara. These are surprisingly so easy to blend out. And it looks scary, but the more you blend this out, the more it'll air out and be lighter. I just want to make sure that they're even. This is my weird eyelid. There's like a crevice here, like it's more deep set. So I always have the hardest time on this one. I think that's good enough for now. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows, curl my lashes. The sun is reaching me. I'm not even sure if you're able to tell from this lighting, but I didn't even realize that this has... I'm not adding more, I'm just making sure if I have any mascara stains on my eyelid. But anyway, it's a little shimmery. I didn't even notice that. All right, and for my lips, we're gonna do All Pillow Talk from Charlotte Tilbury. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with that. I always feel when I'm using a little mirror that I line my lips crooked. Am I the only one who needs like 2 mirrors when getting ready? A handheld one, or like one close to me, and like my bigger vanity one to see, like, you know, I need to see from a distance and I need to see close up. Toes crossed, that one is even. And then we're gonna go ahead and put the Pillow Talk lipstick. Why am I doing this without a mirror? My lips need a good scrubbing. And then a little bit of gloss. This is the Maybelline. I'm not exactly sure what this gloss is called, but it is the gloss from Maybelline with hyaluronic acid in shade Ice. Oh, there we go. It's the Lifter Gloss. And I just add some right in the center. And then I go ahead and brush out with the wand. Your girl loves blush. So this is, I had it ready because I just knew. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Cheek to Chic in shade Ecstasy. Just a little bit. And then I know you see that glow. All right, let's do this. My Dior highlight. I'm racing this on you guys. Dior highlight, I'm gonna go ahead and use a mix of a little bit of gold and a little bit of pink. I'm not even gonna put a lot because this look is already kind of glowy. Now where I am going to reinforce a little bit of glow is right in the inner corner, just a little bit. And then my brow bone. And then I'm going to go ahead and set my face with the Rare Beauty Always an Optimist. Did I get that right? I did get that right. Always an Optimist spray, which I like to think I always am. And then that was a lot. Oh my god, I almost had a mini heart attack. I looked at my screen and for a second I thought that it wasn't recording, but thank goodness it is recording. My whole life is always just trying to figure out what to do with my hair when I'm filming, or even just doing my hair because I don't really do it. We're just gonna go ahead and leave it at this. I'm gonna go ahead and end it right here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day, whatever you're celebrating. Have a beautiful day, and if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!